Hello friends, welcome to my another video on my YouTube channel TKF Electronics. I hope you all are doing fine. Well friends, today I have received one shipment parcel from Bangalore, see, for repair. So let's open this one, check what is inside. See friends, this is sub RCF sub high power active subwoofer model 8036-AS. So this is came for repair from Mangalore. See, okay guys, so we'll check what is this. Oh, this is another extra power supply. There's an extra power supply for repair. I think this is also faulty. So now, this is the one for repair. Okay guys, so let's take this on the table and we'll start working on it. So guys, now I kept it on my table, so we'll apply power and check. So I already switch on this one so that it's easy for me. So we'll put little support over here. So I will put it on now. I have connected in series, so do not connect it directly to the power supply. Just or whenever you are checking the SMPS power supply, connect in the series only. So I am putting on now. I put it on. So see guys, this is the problem. See, power supply. See the light, can see the blinking. So power supply is not getting on, and here the power. This is the one. So now we'll check this power supply, friends, separately. So we'll keep this aside. So guys, we'll keep this aside. Now we'll start working on this. Okay. So guys, first what we'll do, we'll take some cold test, of some electronic components inside. See, this is main PWM pulse width modulation IC. The number of this IC is UCC 3808 3808D-1. This is the main IC, pulse width modulation, PWM in short you can call. This is the main switching IC. So well, what we'll do, we'll just check first is there any weak components or shorting components. So we'll keep on the buzzer range, as because buzzer range will come to me easily, guys. So I kept on buzzer range. So is there any shorting in the IC, some pins or something like that? So I just want to check shorting, my friend. So now there are some transistors, SMPS transistors are there, here also transistors are there, and here also some diodes and everything are there. So we'll check some near IC. There are some transistors. Okay, this is PNP transistor, nothing, no shorting, nothing. Okay, so there's no shorting, this is okay. Okay, and here the MOSFETs are there, so we'll check some MOSFET. So no shorting. Okay, okay, okay. So the diodes, this is the rectifier diodes in the secondary for the high voltage. So this is also good. So guys, now there are some SMD diodes are there here also, here also. Okay, okay. So this we have already checked. See, these are also okay. Okay, okay. So guys, okay, transistors over here. Okay, so guys, towards the primary side, it's looks everything's good, no any shorting, nothing. And these also transistors over here. Okay, so perfect, so there is no any shorting. So friends, as you have seen, all SMD components showing okay. So I think pulse width modulation, that is PWM IC, looks defective. So we need to replace this IC with the new one. So we'll start desoldering this IC now. This is the old IC and this is the new IC. The IC number is 3808-1. This is main driver IC, gate driver IC. Fix it now. So guys, we have already soldered this one to the IC. It should be like this. Oh, and one more friends, I have already replaced the capacitors also. I have replaced all the main filter capacitor DC because I was suspecting some leakage in the capacitor. So I have replaced all the 4 capacitors with the new one also. So because for proper switching, so but I have replaced these capacitors. Anyway, we'll check it out now. Okay, so now what we'll do, now we'll connect this directly in the, because I cannot keep it on like this. I want to test it without because we need to fix the heatsink, you know, the metal heatsink, otherwise these MOSFETs are getting overheated, so I cannot put it on like this. So we'll fix this in the this metal case, we'll fix this one and we'll So guys, we have already fixed everything with heatsink and everything. So now it's time to check. So I'll put it on. I put it on. See power come. So it's working. See lights is working. See lights is in on. So it means it's okay now. So see light is on over here. So guys, we'll check the output voltage also. See, this is 80 volt, it's ground, 122 volt. This is 10.9. This is minus 12. This is plus 12. This is 120 volt. This is ground. This is 82 volt. So our power supply is okay. Before this light was fluctuating, so voltage also is fluctuating. So rest is working very fine. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you have any comments, suggestions, please leave it in comment box, and take care. See you very soon next video. Bye.